Kagadi ubabire bari mu mukoro ubwo kwirukangira ishomero rya St Peter and Paul Primary School erukushangwa umugomboro ya Rutete
abegesa batoito because wokusikira mu male gw'abaana ku bitwaro 812 bire buno abegesa batuyinaho tubakumana
nikigambwa kwishomereri emyaka 15 hingwire iritwire na rukora ratwire ndukora mbizimbe ebitaraha mutindo ngo kandi nabwo ratwire na rukora sentebe okurugwa mu kereziya eri harwaje rwishomereri okurugirira harukenya nashobora kugira ngo district ya Kagadi ugahati erumumbaro gw'amashomero agarukwenganira kimwe igana na 30 ngo kandi amashomero 32 aharyaga nugugine birasi ebirukwingana 2 ekirige cyo kutangaza munonga okugira ngo ebirasi 2 tebero kubasa kwikamwa abeja babona abari mu district ya Kagadi
ebyombeko kena amasomero agakwingura mu 32 agayine just class 2 zonka yeti galiga gaina P7 class musanga mu class 2 zonka nizo zina okwegera class 5 zona kuli school mu school wago mu school ka Buswaka mu school ka Lyanda mu school ka Sungubwa gani just class 2 ziti
nashobora kugira ngo esente zibar kutunga okurwo mu mpawezi hamwe n'aba SFG na Rishi School Facilitation Grant esente zininje kandi tuzokubasa kubikiraza okugira ngo bakabasa kombeka ebyombeko ebiri hamutindo kandi mu bwinji
sente ze development zabakweta SFG naho basobole kutaya kasente keyongeiro nuko tusobole amasomero gano 32 againe class 2 byonka na tusobole kuba tutekayo mu class agane
James Yarugaba oguna executive director ahubwa Youth Alive Uganda oguna shobora kugira ngo eby'obwegyese mu district ya Kagadi bigenzerene kwatwijaga kandi bari kunagijurwa icyari kugira ngo nicyo rugireho na munonga abeji okugumana bakora kubi mu bigezo byabo.
Education has 3 key stakeholders. You have the parents, they have a responsibility to make sure that children do not stay in homes. They send them to school.
Yarugaba na higaba ziro gahati okugira ngo barebe eby'obwegyese nk'ikintu cy'amana munonga okugira ngo abana babo babatungire eby'obwegyese nikija kubayambaho okugira nyesya nungi.
But also responsibility to keep checking on them at school to make sure that they are running. The other key stakeholder are the teachers. Teachers need to make sure that they are coming to school in time. They are really doing the lesson plans and teaching pupils as required. And of course, the other key stakeholder is the district technical team that need to ensure quality, do supervision to ensure that we improve the education standards in the district.
Reverend Father Patrick Mugisa Amoti kandogu oryomhandiki eby'obwegyese habwa Kagadi Vicariate Hoima Catholic Diocese ogunashobora kugira ngo government gumerene na jirra na munonga eby'obwegyese na munonga harengo rwa primary otireho nangu no kugira ngo abashomesa ba primary neba kwatijaga icyo kuretera beji babura umuhimbo ubwo kuza kwega
motivating abana motivating n'abasomesa abasomesa baraba bari kurungi they will inspire abato kugamba ngo bagende baho basome obusomesa ate kintu cha infrastructures kwegesa bindi kuombeka ebyombeko abazaire na government na bebembezi kasitaba ka identifying government yakwene tuongera akasente niko gamba ngo because it is a shaming and be shaming. It is a shaming and be shaming. Kusanga isomero ina abana 10-15 ina classroom ibiti. Staff room niyo ero na dining, niyo na library, niyo na office ya head teacher. Niyo na office ya deputy head teacher.
Emmanuel Mukiza uri umuturage nashobora kujanga ishomereri ryo mu mberambe munonga izurukwera rekereza nahabweco nashobora kugira ngo bwahati bo basize kubana bimuka o kugira ngo bakazo muhururu yo kubasa kurutungura okuruteka hamutindo.
Twina kasomero kaituka St Peter and Paul Nursery and Primary School kamaze emyaka nyingi muno nikagotana baito bwana baitu nitwetaga bube no kwegesebwa kilo kino tubaino mutano gwa